In this video, we're going to talk to you about the Juki HZL-355Z. The 355 is a good quality mechanical machine. There's times you don't want a computerized machine. Those Juki make some of the best quality computerized machines you'll find on the market. You may prefer to have a mechanical model that I can just dial up a few stitches I need, but need a good rugged workhorse type machine. The 355 definitely is that. Let's give you a good overview of this particular machine. The 355 will have over 26 stitches built into the machine. On my stitch diagram here, all I have to do is match letter to letter and I know what stitch I'm on. I can adjust my length and width settings very easily on the top of the machine. I know what I've got it set on. If I have the machine on straight stitch, I can actually move my width button and move the needle over. So I'm putting in piping or cording, need to get up against a zipper or something, I'm able to move that needle over. And you can't do that on a lot of mechanical models. The machine is very easy to thread. It's channeled through my tension system all the way down to my needle. I do have a built-in needle threader on the machine. I have the top drop-in bobbin. I can see my bobbin at any given time. And I have the removable accessory tray with the lid that opens toward you. So now I can assess all my accessories are in the machine, get to them. I do have drop feed on the machine. I can drop my feed dogs out of the way. If I'm wanting to do free motion, say darn a hole, put on a button, or maybe do free motion quilting or stippling, I'm able to do that. I have 6-point feed dog system on this particular machine that's touching the fabric in 6 places to help feed that fabric through very smoothly, nice and easy. And my reverse is right here. And I do have the top winding bobbin on the machine. To change the stitches on the machine, I have a dial on the side, and I know again by my letters where I'm at. The machine also has a row of stretch stitches, and all I have to do is move my stitch length lever over till I see the pink S, and it automatically internally will convert the machine over to do this row of stitches here. These stitches are very good when I'm working with stretchy material. Like a straight stitch, it'll sew 2 stitches forward and 1 reverse, automatically back tacking the stitches. It opens up other stitches like a decorative rick-rack stitch, some overcasting stitches that are built into the machine, and applique stitches. Let's show you a little bit about what this machine can sew. Because of the top drop-in bobbin system on this particular machine, it's going to make it very smooth because the hook is going all the way around my bobbin in a 360-degree increment. Very smooth running, and I have my reverse right here if I want to do my back tacking. On the side of the machine I have a little razor that I can rake the thread across and cut the thread. I'm going over the side seam on a pair of blue jeans. This is 8 layers of denim here. It has an electronic foot control. The harder I press on the foot control, the faster the machine will go. That helps for me to regulate the speed of the machine. That's the nice thing about this mechanical model, is I can do that. And because of the top drop-in bobbin, it's going to crawl up and over or crawl down onto another piece of material. So I'm going through a stretch material right now. So basically I went from extreme heavy to extremely lightweight with no puckering of that material. And I'll handle that with no problem. Here I'm going to sew through this vinyl. It's the same type of material like if you're redoing a boat seat or car seat, something like that. I'm going through 2 layers of that, and this is very spongy. If I need to adjust my stitch number, I've got the stitches set pretty close to 0. I'm getting a lot of stitches in that garment. And I have reverse to back tack through that. And it goes through with no problem whatsoever. The stitches are perfect on top. We carry everything that's made for the Juki 355Z. Feel free to give us a call if you have questions about any feature of this machine or need us to compare it to other models for you. We'll be glad to. We have more information on our website. By all means, check that out or feel free to give us a call.